Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Resident Evil 9 and you keep getting this error, heap allocation failed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Resident Evil 9 easily. So this problem can occur due to a variety of issues. So I'll show you two solutions of how you can fix it. So the first solution is you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to download this Resident Evil Frameworks mod from nexusmods.com. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. Just click on here and then download and extract this mod into your games directory, and then you can try to play the game and check if that fixes your issue. If it still doesn't, then the next solution is you can try to delete dinput8.dll or any mods you have on your Resident Evil Requiem. So just go on to your games directory. Default directory is in C, program files 86, Steam, Steam apps, common, Resident Evil Requiem, and then you're going to have your mods here. So just delete your mods. If you also have the input 8.dll here, delete that file as well. Afterwards, you can try to play the game and check if that fixes your issue. So there it is, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.